5 phrases you're going to be needing in Thailand. Let's go. All right, this one's going to be quick. I don't want to waste any more of your time. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry or excuse me. It's like ขอโทษ. I'm sorry. ขอโทษ. ฉันขอโทษ means I'm sorry for what happened. ฉันขอโทษ. Okay? ขอโทษครับ. ขอโทษค่ะ. means excuse me. You know, like you want to walk by. Oh, ขอโทษครับ. ขอโทษค่ะ. Or, you know, you just like, you know, accidentally trip them and they just face plant. Like, oh God, yeah, ขอโทษครับ. ขอโทษค่ะ. Okay? But if you really feel sorry about something that happened, you say ผมขอโทษ. ฉันขอโทษ. Okay? It depends on how you deliver the sentence. Okay? The word is ขอโทษ mean I'm sorry. Okay? Next one. I can't breathe. You know? ฉันหายใจไม่ออก ฉันหายใจไม่ออก You probably thinking like, why the hell are you like teaching me this stuff, man? You know what? Maybe in the tour bus. It's like packed full of like a sardine in there. You can't even breathe. You can't even walk, dude. You can't even like take a breath. Well, you probably have to say something because or else people are not gonna know what the hell's wrong with you. Right? ฉันหายใจไม่ออก. Yeah, it happened all the time. Sometimes you're in a taxi, air conditioning doesn't work. The guy was like, still have the window up. And you go, oh God, you know what? The thing is, it happened all the time. You know, those taxi drivers, it's not because the air conditioning doesn't work. They think because by turning on the air, it's gonna take more gas. That's what they think, man. So what are you gonna what you're gonna get is that you're gonna be sitting there with like blowing like hot air at you, okay, with all the windows up. You can't breathe, man, and you can't roll down the window because it's like one of those like you know like operated by the driver or whatever. You just say ฉันหายใจไม่ออก. Okay. You probably think like, why are you teaching me this stuff? Nonsense. Let's do it. Next one. I'm looking for ... ฉันกำลังหา You lost something or looking for something. ฉันกำลังหา You're at the mall, you're on the ground, just like looking for things underneath like couches and like and sofas, you know. And people are like, what the hell's wrong with you? You go, ฉันกำลังหา passport. Yeah, you drop your passport. You drop your IDs. You drop your cash. You drop your wedding rings. Those guys that take off the wedding rings when they go to the massage parlor. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and you're like, oh crap, man, my ring's gone. Yeah, and they're like, what are you looking for? ฉันกำลัง Thirsty guys, man. Jeez, you guys are like, seriously, man. All right, ฉันกำลังหา means I'm looking for ... Okay? Passport, wedding ring, money, cash, whatever. All right, next one. Can you speak slowly, please? คุณพูดช้าลงหน่อยได้ไหม คุณพูดช้าลงหน่อยได้ไหม Long sentence, man. That's a very slow version of it. คุณพูดช้าลงหน่อยได้ไหม mean can you please speak slowly? But at the normal speed, it'll be คุณพูดช้าลงหน่อยได้ไหม I don't expect you to start out like that, but you know, it's okay. You might be a genius at languages, man, you know? So I applaud you for that. But for most regular people like me, I gotta have to go slow. คุณพูดช้าลงหน่อยได้ไหม means can you speak slowly, please? But if that's too long, then you can just shorten it and you can go คุณพูดช้าๆได้ไหม คุณพูดช้าๆได้ไหม means can you speak slowly, please? All right, next one. Can you please repeat that? คุณพูดซ้ำได้ไหม ค คุณพูดซ้ำได้ไหม means can you please repeat that คุณพูดซ้ำได้ไหม Alright, that's 5 sentences that you can use all the time in Thailand. Pick and choose which one you want to learn. Okay? I'm just here to give it to you. Okay? If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and I will see you next time. Peace.